First 5 on St. Benil. First 5 on Perpetual. First 5 on Perpetual. Gapak. Deng. Pinitante. First 5 on St. Benil. Pirocho. Punsalan. Nilobla. Pilamboy. Quiñones. Second game, St. Benil versus Perpetual. It's white ball. Early tapping on St. Benil. Pirocho. This is our second game for NCAA. It's Perpetual against St. Benil. La Penetrante. Looking for Gapak. Gapak. Our reigning best player of the game. Gapak. Looking for Gapak and 14 to shoot. Too strong. Short. Quiñones. Penetrante. Foul. Foul on Punsalan. First on Punsalan. First team foul against St. Benil. Penetrante. Back. Too strong again. Top. Pirocho. Pirocho. Now the Pilang boy. Quiñones. Punsalan. Punsalan. Still. Nice pass. Pirocho. Pirocho. It's 2-1. The Pilang boy. Punsalan. Pull a jump. Too strong. Top. Pirocho. Pirocho now. Rebound. 14 to the shot clock. Too strong. Top by Deng. Deng. Now Deng. Guarded by Punsalan. It's 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Top rebound is steal by St. Benil. Deng, Deng. It's green ball. Green. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. St. Benil versus Perpetual. Pirocho. Back to Pirocho. 14 to shoot.
Asal nyo.
Punsalan. 10. Back to Punsalan. Escape. Too strong. Penetrante. Now Penetrante to intercept. Same ball. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Still score 0 all. St. Benil versus Perpetual. Now Deng, Deng. Short. It's green ball, green ball. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Punsalan. Guarded by Deng. Pirocho. Guarded by Gapak. Pirocho. Back to Punsalan. Kick out pass. Punsalan. Save spot short. Now Penetrante. Penetrante now. Penetrante. Guarded by Punsalan. 1-1 by Punsalan. Nice defense on Punsalan. It's 14 to shoot. 14. It's 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Deng, Deng. Nice pass to Rivera. 10. Foul. Foul on Deng. First team foul on Perpetual. First personal foul against Deng. Nadapil lang boy. Quiñones. Punsalan. Nadapil lang boy. Back to Punsalan. Pirocho.
Bato na, Deng.
Now Deng. It's still St. Benil ball. Turnover again on St. Benil. 6 minutes and 36 seconds.
Reserve time out, sir.
Still our score, 0 all.
Ay, naubos na yung oras. Yan na, bang bang!
Short.
Short!
Melay. Time out on Perpetual.
Deng, Rivera, Gapa, Pelitrante, Sabanao.
And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista.
Venezuela,
14 to shoot. Ah!
Nice ball, nice ball.
Foul on number 01 on Penetrante. Second team foul on Perpetual. First on Penetrante. Yes, now basket count 1-0 score. St. Benil.
Naubos na yung oras.
Now 2-0. Favor of St. Benil. Now Deng. Still on ito. It's 2-1. Melay pass to Perocho. Perocho stop. Perocho. Yes, on Perocho. Now 4-2. Point lead on St. Benil. It's 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Deng. Inbound on Rivera. Top. Rivera. Back to Gapak. Favorite shot. Short. Gapak is 14 is at 14. 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Now Deng. Drive. Strong. It's 14 to shoot. Second at 14. 5 minutes.
Aywa!
Still ang Punsalan. Punsalan, Gapak. Now it's St. Benil ball. St. Benil. 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Hawak lang, hawak.
It's 4 against 0.
Walang score, ah. Walang score. Huwag na
Now Melay. Punsalan.
sila may yain sa umpisa eh.
3-second violation on the Pilang boy, Quinones.
Penetrante!
Penetrante.
Try!
Punsalan. Top, Rivera. Pirocho. One naman Rivera. Pirocho escape. Melay. Too strong. Rivera. Penetrante. Cardinal Pirocho. Turnover again on Perpetual. It's 3 minutes and 50 seconds. It's 4 against 0. Tapela boy. Too strong. Top.
Sabanao.
Cabanao. Deng. Foul. Whoa! Basket count and one on Deng. Second team foul on St. Benil.
Sino nag-foul?
Two ball shot coming from Deng. Pinatante. Offensive foul on Penetrante. Now Penetrante second foul. Third on Perpetual.
Ayaw ko nga.
3 minutes. Tap. Kabak.
Gabag, dong.
In and out. Tap again by Punsalan. Kinilabla. Oh! 6-4. 4-point lead now on San Pinil.
Oy, 6 na kami.
Then, block.
Atin.
It's same ball. 2 minutes and 49 seconds. 4-point lead on San Pinil.
Maya, nakina sa atin momento.
Now it's 2-1. Kinilabla to Perrocho.
Tawid.
Almost.
Grabe.
Rivera, guarded by the Pilamboy.
Pero,
Time out on San Pinil. It's 13 foul on San Pinil. 6 against 2. 4-point lead on San Pinil.
pero, first personal foul. 13 foul. Bye-bye. See you. Na-carried away ka lang.
Dalawang talo. Dalawang talo ng kapag talo. Jerry yung talo siya.
Now 3-6.
Ganun talaga, hindi daw sabi.
Gawa dati nga last ng dalawa. Dalawang talo.
GR yung...
3-point lead on San Pinil. Bagang Punsalan. Now Perrocho. Tap. Now Gapak. To Deng. 2 minutes. Kapak. Tap. Foul. Foul on number 28. Warning for penalty and Perpetual. First on Tabanao. 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Aywa.
Kapak. Whoa! Nice pass coming from Deng. It's 5-6. 1 point lead now, San Pinil. Wow! The Pilamboy! Quiñones. 8-5. 3-point lead on San Pinil. Pirocho. Foul. Foul on number 30 on the better. Penalty rep.
Rivera first.
First on the better. $56 seconds. 56. Now 9-5, back to 4-point lead on San Pinil.
Wala pa yung mga assistant na.
Bang!
Atin! Hoy, sana!
It's San Pinil, 40 seconds. Punsalan. 30 seconds.
Aywa!
Depends on San Pinil. Perpetual. Gamak. Pinitante. Still on the Amboy. Now, Pirocho, escape. Pirocho na, looking for Punsalan. Too strong. Amboy again. Amboy. Bang on the Amboy. 10 seconds.
11. 11-5.
Yun!
Ay, ma'am.
And first quarter score. It's 11-5, 6-point lead on St. Benil. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Hindi mo naman ito dito.
It's perpetual ball.
Jay!
Lapiceros. Long three. In and out, Dador Parador. Now, Francisco Amarillo. Lungsod. Rebound on Dador Parador. Dador. Traffic jam. Looking for Lungsod. 10 to shoot. Francisco. Back to Dador. Punsalan. Same spot. Again, in and out, top. Now, Kilab. Lapiceros, air ball, Lapiceros. Nice defense! Oh, Amarillo.
Monero, Laceperos, Kilab.
It's 11:50, 11-5. 6-point lead on St. Benil. Kilab. Take. Favorite shot, outside pass. Too strong, top. Soriano. Still na Muneba. Muneba, stop. Pull out jump. First basket on Muneba, short. Rebound on Soriano. Munjalan. Still again on St. Benil on
Laceperos.
Lapiceros scoop, short top, rebound, Francisco, Lungsod.
Oy, walk.
Lab rebound, 7 minutes and 40 seconds, 11-5. Still scoreless in the game, Lapiceros, air ball, Amarillo.
Tayo, set! Pwesto!
Now it's troubling violation on the City Lungsod.
Maubusan ng oras. Wala pang school.
Muneba,
Dang!
top by Soriano. Kenzo Strong. Francisco. Dador Parador. Dador now. Dador guarded by 2. Amarillo. Francisco, 14 to shoot. Top. Lapiceros. Amarillo. Lapiceros. Pass to Kilab. Favorite shot to Kilab. First basket to Kilab. Too strong. Rebound. Lungsod. Foul. Foul on number 9 on Kilab. First on Kilab. First team foul, Perpetual. Our score, 0-all. 11-5. Dador Caparador. 13-5, 8-point lead now on St. Benil.
Perpetual, ano nangyari sa Perpetual?
Pwede na!
Hermoso to Moneva drive, skate. Moneva, pow!
Amariano.
Foul on number 11 on Amarillo. First on Amarillo. First team foul, St. Benil.
Never! Zero pa din.
Coach, Robert, coach!
It's violation on Moneva. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Still 13 against 5. Now, lungsod. 1-1 by Lapiceros. Francisco. Tadora Prador. 3-second violation on our coach Soriano.
Nako.
Receive, receive, receive.
0-3. Korea.
Muneva.
Input.
It's traveling violation again on Muneva. Time out, ref, time out. On Perpetual, our score, it's 13 against 5. This time out is brought to you by Chokes to Go. Magnolia Fried Chicken. And Color Sports. (13-5) our score. 13 against 5. 8-point lead on Selvini. Tap on Francisco. 10 to shoot. 10. Moneva pa. Foul on number 11 on Amarillo. Second on Amarillo. Second team foul. Sent Benin.
Kaya kayo, kaya kayo. Bensa lang.
Hermoso.
Kawan pa.
It's green ball. Green.
Set. Baksaw tayo sa rebound na, baksaw.
Francisco. Amarillo. Nice move by Amarillo. 15-5. It's 10-point lead on San Benil. 4 minutes.
Wala pang score ang circuit. Naubos na ang 10 minutes.
Hoy, harapan mo direct.
14 to shoot. Bang! Long two. Coming from Lapiceros. It's 15-7. It's 8-point lead on San Benil. Tadora Parador. Country by Lapiceros. It's backing violation. Turnover. Nice defense. On Perpetual. It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Bawi. Gigi. Kamera ka ng labaw eh. Kaya ka na.
Lapiceros again. Long two.
Hoy.
Short. Francisco.
Idon.
Tadora Parador. Guarded by Hermoso. Now Francisco.
Nice lock.
Black by Lapiceros. It's 12 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot.
Dalin. Baksaw tayo sa rebound mo, baksaw. Oh, baksaw.
Bang! On lungsod.
Nice DJ. Good.
Too strong. Amarillo.
Awa. Ngiti.
2 minutes and 20.
The door.
Lungsod. In and out. Top. Tadora Parador. Moneva pa. Alon Churiano, third on team foul on Serpinin. First personal foul on Soriano. 2 minutes.
Marap.
18 against 7. Kilab. Looking for Lapiceros. Hermoso. Foul.
6, tula.
Warning on Serpinin.
Lungsod first.
First on lungsod. Muneva.
Warning penalty.
Kila! 9-18, now 9-point lead on San Benil.
Penetrate ko sa stoka.
It's a ball, 14 to shoot, 14. Time out. On set finish.
Turn off yung head. Saan ang lalabas yung turn off? Push button, turn off.
Sino mag-time out?
Meron, push button.
Ilaw. Gusto ni mo penetrate ba?
Pakilis pa.
18 to 9, 18 to 9. It's 9-point lead on set finish. 14 to shoot. Amarillo, lungsod, Francisco.
Nice!
Now he's still again on Perpetual. Muneva. It's same ball, same ball. 1 minute, 1 minute. Amarillo. Nice move, nice escape. Amarillo, polo jumper to stone top. To Muneva. Lapeceros all the way, all along. Oh, nice move by Lapeceros. It's 11-8, 45 seconds. Pow! Number 9 on Kilab.
Kilab, second.
Second on Kilab. Second first thing foul on Perpetual. It's 38 seconds.
Just, Jay, just. Rebound! Kaya pa!
Hermoso.
Challenge!
Muneva. Ah.
3 points!
3 point shots on Muneva. Now set Pinilan penalty. 12-18. Now 13-18, 13-18. It's 24 seconds.
Ken! Isa Ken! Nice free throw, May.
14-18, 24 seconds.
Last shot, Jay.
No!
15 seconds. Six seconds. Basket count. It's 17 against the 20. Now 3-point lead on Saturday.
Tingnan kasi po.
Bawas tayo. Last game, ano yung nagbawas? Bawas tayo konti. Silvinil, bawas tayo. Two teams tayo. Bawas muna tayo, sir. Bawas tayo sa yung kota. Last game, ni Ken nagbigay. Silvinil, bawas tayo. Bawas tayo.
5 minutes, break time. Guys,
Bawas tayo, bawas. Bawas muna tayo sa kanyo. Kota nyo. Bawas muna tayo sa kota nyo.
Busal pa, 3. 3 lang. Lalo na naman kahapon.
Kuno.
Break time.
Yan, last stand. Panalo kayo dalawa. Loko dalawa. Nung sinabi pumunta ka. Sabi mo pumunta ka. Nagabawi ka rin na. Panalo ka last game, dalawa. Talo nga yung dalawa.
140 lang yan.
Sige lang, wala po ganito. Oo.
Ito lang.
100.
Third quarter, third.
140.
It's San Benil ball, San Benil. It's only 20 against 17. 3-point lead at San Benil. Enverga. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Enverga. 20-17 now. It's 6-point lead on San Benil. Lau. Pinitante.
Rick, hati lang, Rick. Kano na kayo, Rick?
Back to Lau. Moneva pay. 40 to shoot. Moneva block. By Peracho. 10 to shoot. It's green ball, green ball. 23 to 17.
Kalma kasi mo ba?
6-point lead on San Benil. Peracho, side step. Whoa! Peracho. Now 27-17, 25-17. Pinitante. Lau. Ah, it's green ball.
Eh, 1 toto. Nice pass!
Too strong. Foul. Foul on number 26 on Lau. First on Lau. First team foul on Perpetual. Piracho. Foul. Foul on 0 on Moneva.
May foul dito sa ilalim kanina tulak. Pangatlo na yan ha. 13 lang. May
Aye! Ate, sinundot!
8 minutes, 8.
Lusada?
Kailan na Paolo Minova?
Minaba?
Minova.
Foul. Foul on number 8. It's 13 foul on set first on Benil.
De La Cruz.
Bang! Basket count and one on De La Cruz. Foul on number 8.
28.
28
28.
on Lau.
Love second.
Second on Lau.
13 foul.
Now Lau. Looking for Pinitante. Seba. Back to Pinitante. Foul. Foul on
Embargo.
Embarga. Second team foul on Sepinil. First on Embarga.
Dipinsa ninyo, 1-2. Tapos yan lang oh. Taas lang kamay. Taas lang kamay. Taas lang kamay.
Tapa De La Cruz. Now Pirocho. Plaza. Short. Plaza again. Short again. It's white ball. It's 6 minutes and 52 seconds.
Boundary na, nakatira na eh.
Aywa!
Low. De La Cruz. Yes, on De La Cruz. 29 to 17. Foul again on De La Cruz. Third team foul on San Pinil.
Second.
Second on De La Cruz. It's 6 minutes and 15 seconds. On our third quarter. St. Pinil against Perpetual. Fourteen minutes sa clock, 14. Seba. Who's foul up? Foul on number 2 on Plaza. Warning for penalty on St. Pinil.
Plaza first. One penalty.
First on Plaza. Bilarde. Pirocho. Wow! Inverga. It's 8 seconds shoot. 8 seconds.
Same ball.
Wait, 8 seconds, wait! 8 seconds! Mag-meter! Mark! Labas yan, Mark! Mark! Labas! Baba mo, sir!
7 seconds. 7 seconds to shoot.
Foul!
Nice pass! Nice pass!
Whoa! Bilarde. 31-18.
Harap, Rick!
Now Moneva, coast to coast, defense foul.
Time out, sir.
Foul again on De La Cruz. Time out! On Perpetual, it's 31-18. 5 minutes remaining time. Foul on De La Cruz. Third on De La Cruz. This time out is brought to you by Chooks to Go, Manila Bulletin, and Basketballista.
Third De La Cruz penalty. Team penalty.
Two free throw shots for Moneva.
Malakas din naman ang Perpetual by ang harap.
19 to 31.
Sipak lang, sipak! Malaban!
Now 20 to 31. Four minutes and 50 seconds. Plaza. Back. Amon na ba? Coast to coast. Intercepted by Plaza. Lapiceros. Too strong. Pirocho. Lapiceros. Munaba. Low. Short. Lapiceros again. 40 to shoot. 10.
Nice mark, box! Nice box!
Lapiceros again. Munaba. Foul on zero. Timeout on St. Pinil. It's 4 seconds. 4 minutes.
Sapo, papalitan.
Time out muna, time out. Hindi naglalagay
Sir,
ako.
biniyaw. Sir, biniyaw.
Eh, kanina anong time out yun? Wala ka naglagay. Third quarter.
Dito lang naman, wala pa naman.
Time out kanina.
Tagal pumito nung referee natin. Physical na yung laro.
Sir, biniyaw. Perfect.
Kasi Ben, super push na po.
Tapos na.
Oh, third quarter na, it's good third quarter. Hindi kasi ito. Third na. Sige Ben, third quarter.
Now, 22 to 31.
Long time out na sa third quarter.
Embarga. Nice move. Puncalan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Puncalan.
Kaya nga.
Upo, sir. Isa ba?
Sama.
Nice one.
Oh! Munama. Tingnan natin kami Munama. Block. Low. 10 to shoot.
Sab.
Substitution drop. Substitution. 9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Lapiseros. Stepping on the line. It's out of bounds on Lapiseros.
Wala, grabe ko lang ito. Ano? Nakita ko naman.
2 minutes and 52 seconds. 34 against the 22.
Ready!
De La Cruz. Black by Seba. Lapiseros, Cardi Puncalan. Shorts. Embarga. Nice move by Embarga. Lapiseros. Now. Whoa! It's nice defense on Plaza. 2 minutes.
Grabe, malas talaga ba?
Offensive foul on number 30 on Rivera. Warning for penalty on Perpetual.
Relax lang.
Second on Rivera.
Okay, mapadalang tayo.
It's 1 minute and 48 seconds. Embarga.
Mark! Labas, Mark!
Puncalan. Magtenberga. Akto Puncalan. 10 to shoot.
Nice!
Puncalan to De La Cruz. De La Cruz down. De La Cruz. 1 to shoot. Hermoso. It's good. Lapiseros. Puncalan. Apa?
Oh no!
Shoulder.
Out on Lusada. Penalty rep. It's 34 to 22. Continuation agad, Fortino! Still, Lapiseros. Yes, on Lapiseros is 24 to 34. 1 minute. Lau. Lusada. Foul on.
Sub,
Punsalan, sub rep, sub. Penalty rep, penalty.
Punsalan, second.
Second on Punsalan.
Penalty.
It's 34-24. Short by Lusada. Forty seconds. 40 to shoot.
Bingo.
Yes, on Rivera. 30 seconds.
Hey!
20 seconds. 14 to shoot.
In Vargo.
Yes, on Lapaceros.
Sexy ka, Rasa! Walang foul, walang foul, ha? Walang foul, walang foul, walang foul. Ano?
Basket count. It's 36 against the 28. Back to 8-point lead on Sepinin. Fourth quarter. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. Perpetual ball, perpetual.
Mike, penetrate, trap.
Dapat kasi pero Hermosa.
Now, Lapiceros.
Penetrate, trap, ha? Penetrate, trap.
Derecho.
Hermoso. Gabak.
Amarillo.
8 seconds, 8 seconds.
8-second violation, 8 seconds. Foul. Who's fouled? Foul on number 35 on Hermoso. First on Perpetual.
Basic.
Bang! On Piracho. Now muna ba? Nice rebound on Naparador. Steal muna ba?
Likod, likod.
Now muna ba? Coast to coast. Kapag drive. Kapag coast. Block! By Piracho. Shot. Foul.
Nice one, boy.
Foul again on number 35 on Hermoso. Second on Hermoso. Second team foul on Perpetual.
Hector, kuha.
Pirocho again. Gabak. Foul. Foul on number 27 on Gador Aparador. First team foul on St. Pinil.
Door second.
Second on Gador Aparador. In and out. Foul. Foul on number 30 on Rivera.
Rivera turn.
Third personal foul on Rivera. Third team foul on Perpetual. Pirrocho. Amarillo 14 to shoot. 10. Rivera Tugapak. Muneba. Black. Tapiceros. 40 to shoot. Rebound on.
Bang, bang!
Muneba. Foul. Foul on number 7 substitution. Foul on number 7 on Pirocho.
Perocho
Sub.
Kapak.
Second team foul on St. Benil.
Perocho second.
Warning on bench on St. Benil. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Lapiceros.
Score tayo dyan, ha?
Win ko, win!
Eric!
Gamit!
Hindi mo, pwesto na! Drop mo. Nice pass.
Yes, Zona Marano. 6 minutes.
Uli, RJ!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Lapiceros is 40 to 34. Quiñones. Amarillo. Estilo Lapiceros. Rivera. Too strong. Penetrante again. Oh!
Sinabi ko na.
Reserve. Sabihin mo, huwag diretso.
40 to 6. Foul number 7, timeout. On St. Benil. Foul on Pirocho. Third on Pirocho. 13 foul on St. Benil.
Both sides.
Retro yun, pre. Dalawa, pre. Talon. Michael, talon ka. Sayang yung pisto natin. Nice one.
37-40. Only 3-point lead on St. Benil. Jalan.
Walang
Moneva. Penetrante. Yes on Lapiceros. Dador, operador.
parang nagtutuwa sila kasi. Nanggigigil.
Wala tayong email na si Dahil.
Okay
lang yan, okay lang. Dito, may bulak.
Sino?
Rep, yung mga... Aggressive yung mga bata mo pag sumabay eh. Aggressive sila sumabay. Kita mo naman, Rep, hindi naman sinasadya bumagsak doon, oh. Oh, aggressive yung bata.
Ball get there, oras
Wala
na.
nang maduming laro ito, nakita mo naman eh. Mas break lang sila.
Bola.
Oy, tingnan, focus! Sige, bigyan mo!
Yes! Now 41 to 40, 1 point lead on Perpetual.
Shot! Shot! Nice shot!
Yes, on Pinocho.
Isa! Tawag kayo!
42 to 41.
Tuwa tayo! Ano? Hector! Kunin mo isa!
Screen! Screen!
Yan! Tag-isa kayo! Tag-isa kayo! Tag-isa!
14 to shoot. All on number 8 on Punsalan. Warning for penalty. Third on Punsalan.
Lapit!
Tag-isa!
Ay, pick!
Time to shoot.
Sure, dalawa doon!
All on number 6 on Punsalan. Penalty direct penalty.
Lungsod. Lungsod. Second.
Lungsod. Second on lungsod. 42 all, 42. Now 43 to 42. It's 1 point lead on Perpetual.
Ilalim ha, Felix, ilalim.
Spread! 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 Spread!
14 to shoot.
Hello.
Penitante. Yes, on Penitante. 45 to 42.
Kabila, kabila. Hilap. Hilap ka.
3-point lead now.
Oh!
Still again on Perpetual.
Yan.
Lapiceros. Foul.
Tempo.
Isa.
Tira, tira.
Lungsod. Penalty direct, penalty direct.
Lungsod third.
Third yung lungsod.
Akala ko kasi nagpalmoy. Isa lang ba? Isa lang. Isang pressure eh.
It's Saint-Philip ball. Saint-Philip. 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Three-point lead on Perpetual. Pirocho. Cartona Parador. Amarillo. Yes, on Amarillo. Lapiceros. Yes, on Lapiceros. It's 47 against the 44. 3-point lead on Perpetual.
Dador!
Aparador, Dador.
Putang na lang.
It's 1 minute and 42 seconds.
Wag! Wag! Wag!
Teka.
Wag kayo!
Hindi.
47-42, 44. 1 minute and 32 seconds. 20.
Stop tayo!
Then,
Tatlo yan ha?
whoa! 49 to 44. Warning on number 9 on the line of the game. It's 1 minute and 15. Dalawa na. Technical foul against
Oh, sino?
Perpetual
Zero.
for the line of the game.
Kanina sa gilid. Paul yun.
Zero.
Dalawa siya.
Now, 45 to 49. It's only 4-point lead on Perpetual.
Kakap sa ilalim ha, kilab.
Line number 35, warning for penalty on Perpetual.
Hermoso third.
Third, Hermoso.
Angat to.
Hindi na lang i-shoot eh.
Yun!
50 seconds.
Sir, set pa sir. Bay, baba, bay.
45 seconds. Ten to shoot.
Uy.
5. Short. 25 seconds. Rebound by Maneba. 20 seconds. 15. Penalty trap.
Wala pa naman talong binil, di ba?
15 seconds. Penalty. Basket substitution trap. 15 to 45. 15 seconds.
Sinap na kita. Sinap kita dong!
Technical foul on Seth Benil. 8 seconds. More the line again. Eight seconds. Warning on number 9 on Kilab. 51-45. 8 seconds. 8.
You wish!
8 seconds. And game our winners.